Salut! On se retrouve sur un spot de la côte bretonne pour cette nouvelle vidéo. Voici le fort du Guesclin, vieux de près de 1500 ans et construit par l'ancêtre de son nom. Le fort a été détruit et réparé de nombreuses fois pour finir en tant que propriété privée, actuellement impossible à visiter. Vous pourrez quand même vous approcher du fort si vous arrivez à la bonne heure car il n'est accessible qu'à marée basse et est coupé du reste du monde 2 fois par jour. Sur les murailles, on voit 2 chiens qui montent la garde et qui étaient aussi là pour apprécier le phénomène. J'ai perdu la connexion du drone en voulant faire le tour de l'île, mais tout s'est rétabli sans crash en revenant sur mes pas. Le vol était beaucoup plus compliqué que d'habitude car c'est la première fois que je vole avec le vent des côtes bretonnes et j'aimerais bien avoir votre avis, mais j'étais agréablement surpris car j'ai trouvé que la stabilisation était vraiment bonne malgré quelques bonnes baffes de vent. Merci de vous abonner si vous appréciez ce contenu car j'ai encore plein d'autres spots à vous partager. Je vous souhaite de passer une agréable vidéo et allez, ciao!
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. I just wanna be the man my dad never was. Hear my music, it's all soul. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep cheering. No interceptions, no interference. I'm on an A-team, no Ed Sheeran. I'm headed for the stage now, they clearing all the bad women in the building. Man, there's bad women in the building. Let's get it started tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. 1 shot, 2 shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living. Oh yeah, this baby. Life, this life, this life, all I got. This life. Hey. So let's drink all I got, yo. Everything that we've been through. Yo, ain't nobody shutting it down the way I'm killing it. And anybody talking shit, acting like they innocent. Well, I just wanna be the one to let you know it's sentiment. I'm kissing on your girl, then I lip gloss cinnamon, I love it. You set the bar, I'm above it. Backing down, I never does it. Plus I'm buzzing. You got 1, I got a dozen. If she's taken, I hope she got a cousin, cause she's hotter than the Arizona landscape. Guess I better do the things that a man can't. I'm a chef and that dude is a pancake. We can keep it a secret just like a handshake. Shit, life ain't free, but alright, let's see what the world brings you. With a guy like me, we could dive head first, baby, I'm an OG. It'll be all good, just fly with me tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. 1 shot, 2 shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. So let's drink to everything that we've been through. My drinks cold, my drinks cold, my drinks cold. It's summertime. My drinks cold, It's summertime, this one's on me. Let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. So let's drink to everything that we've been through.
I know I may have changed, I may have lost my way, but every song I've made, yeah, was the blueprint to how I overcame. 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 Overcame.
Yeah, I've wanted a lot of things that I couldn't have. I've done a lot of things that I shouldn't have. Yeah. But I live with no regrets, cause I wouldn't be here if I chose a different path. I've worked so hard, I've worked so thorough. I love my team, I wouldn't trade them for the whole world. But I would trade these groupie bitches in a heartbeat if there was a chance that I could ever have my old girl. My first love, man, I can't believe I lost her. Due to miscellaneous bitches all on my roster. So my advice to all my homies out there, with a woman that really cares, don't fuck around, it might cost you. Yeah, but like I said, man, it's no regrets. We move forward, stay positive and hope for the best. I'm obsessed, I want it all, dog, and nothing less. I'd rather be a dead man than to live with no success. So I spit it from deep in my chest. All of these inner feelings used to just keep them suppressed. Then I wondered why the fuck I would be so depressed. And I realized that I really just need to confess. So when you hear me on a record, it's the real me. I only do it for the people that can feel me. And if you wanna hate, then go ahead and feel free. But I'ma continue to do this shit until it kills me. I've been lost, I've been found, I've been up, I've been down. I've been broken, I've been bruised, beaten and abused by a bitch ass motherfucker my mama would choose. So before you judge me, be sure that you walk in my shoes. I used to sleep out on the streets with a couple sheets. Feeling weak, I've gone weeks with nothing to eat. But fast forward, just a couple years more, me and my team about to do a nationwide tour. In a second I will find that out. It's like I forgot everything I ever cried about. It gets tough, the road may get a little rough. It's all good, homie, you just gotta ride it out. I used to walk up on these tracks, now I'm hurdling. So my homies will never have to snatch a purse again. Yeah, but I know it was truly worth it when I could tell my mama she don't ever have to work again. Only 20 years old when she made me, just a baby, with a baby. Yeah, I know, girl, I drove you all crazy. Jumping off the walls, going all ADHD. Dropping out of school, no job, I was lazy. You said I end up locked up or pushing up daisies. But you know, girl, that ain't how you raised me. That was just a phase, I wasn't finna let it phase me. Been on a mission just to get it and I got it now. They know the name, my fans asking me to jot it down. This music shit, you know a nigga all about it now. Cause I don't know where the fuck I would be without it now. I used to be a Bama, I could pop the collar now. The girl that used to diss me asking me to call her now. I used to look out in the crowd and hear not a sound.
Castro.
Yeah, that's what they shouting now.
I know I may have changed, I may have lost my way, but every song I've made, yeah, was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame.
got shine.